Hi everybody, welcome back. We are joined now by Erica Bovard, Senior Brand Director of CAFÉ, and Alena Capra, CAFÉ's designer in residence. And together they're showing how customizable appliances and personalized design are the way of the future for kitchens. Welcome to you both.
Thank you.
I feel like this is a little bit of a reunion because we all saw each other at the NKBA Women to Women event in Arizona.
Yes, it was such a great event.
In another sunny destination.
That's right.
Keeping the good locations coming.
Yes. And we're here today and we're talking about beauty and kitchens and customization. Style.
Yes.
Tell us, Erica, all about what CAFÉ is offering now.
CAFÉ is all about bringing choice and style to your kitchen. So many years ago, 7 years ago, we're 8 years in the brand now, and there was no choice. You would go into a store and you'd shop and you'd see stainless steel. What CAFÉ brings is choice. You can have a beautiful canvas of matte white, you can do matte black, you can do stainless steel, which is still beautiful and gorgeous. We also have a modern glass finish.
Wow.
But with the other three, you can customize your hardware. So you can really easily DIY, take on and off. We have 6 different finishes and we're launching a few more. But just like jewelry, you want to be able to customize and have choice in your kitchen and layer. Mix your metals.
Now, you don't want it too perfect. But this is where you come in, Alena, because you're the designer in residence. So tell us how you've been involved in the process.
So I, as a designer, and I've been working with CAFÉ as their designer in residence for the CAFÉ Style Studio, I get the great opportunity to work with their team and help homeowners who want to customize, have ideas about maybe they want to do a matte white finish with the brushed copper and figuring out how to incorporate that. Sometimes you have questions. Can I mix metals? Or I want to do different hardware on the cabinet, maybe in a matte black to complement. What's a good way to tie it all in? And it's been really fun to be able to help these homeowners really kind of visualize and kind of implement a beautiful dream kitchen that's fully customized.
And do you think there are rules when it comes to kitchen design, or how does that work?
One of my favorite things is like if you are looking to maybe mix metals per se, maybe we don't keep full rules, but sort of loose guidelines, right?
Yeah.
And to me, it's all about if you want a dominant metal, and then you're going to bring in a secondary metal. So the dominant metal might be your brushed brass finish on the hardware, right? And then you're going to bring in a matte black or something like that on your cabinetry handles and the faucet. How to bring it, you want to repeat it at least 3 times throughout the space to make it intentional. And once you have repetition of those finishes, dominant and secondary, it kind of ties it throughout. It might be the legs of the furniture, right? But you want to make it feel intentional, but in a very subtle way. Yeah.
Well, it seems in some ways like it can be a very overwhelming process. You think that maybe there are only a few decisions to make, but really I think that it's like decision after decision after decision. And I just had an experience the other day. This is on a much smaller scale than making the big choice of renovating a kitchen, but I was at Sephora picking up some makeup and I was like completely lost in the store. And a sales associate came up to me and she was like, so-and-so makes the best this, so-and-so makes the best. And she just took me around and I just filled my little cart up and I felt so good that I was in the hands of a trusted professional who helped me make the best decisions. And I feel like this is kind of comparable.
It's the same thing with CAFÉ. We're always thinking about how can we bring options to you at a price point that you love that luxury look, but like I want it and I can now afford it at this really great price point. And we bring it all. So whether you want a single drawer dishwasher or a double drawer dishwasher, or you want that beautiful full, or you want panel ready where it's truly customizable on the outside, it's that choice that we bring that you can choose whatever you want. We've got a lot of different things, but you can have that confidence. And with Alena on board with our style studio, you don't have to have that, does this work or does that work? You can just go to cafeappliances.com, you can go to one of our local resellers, and we can help you figure out how all that works.
It was so popular last year that this is now a permanent fixture.
Exactly, yes.
So how does it work? Walk me through the process of if you would like to partake in a style studio consultation.
So there, if you can go on the CAFÉ website, there is an area for Style Studio to submit your design dilemmas. And what's really great is homeowners are submitting all the great tools. They're sending photos, some are sending floor plans. We always say the more information, the better. So there'll be some info on the form to fill out. And then as I start interacting with them and the team, we might ask, hey, I'd like to see a few more images of this wall so I can help you better. As I get deeper into the conversation, the images are key in assisting.
Sure.
And I think today's consumer is so savvy when it comes to knowing the things that they want for their home, and we're here to help them put it together.
Yes.
Do you ever start in a place where somebody thinks they want something and then you end up in a completely different place?
In design, that happens all the time, right?
All the
I mean,
time.
and that's the design journey. I think
Yeah.
that's the beauty of it. And as a designer, I love helping people sort of guide that journey. I think it's exciting, and to discover, especially with a line like CAFÉ, you have endless options to just customize and do different things, different finishes. And then the beauty of it additionally is that you're not stuck with one finish.
Right.
So you might want to do brushed copper,
Yes.
and then you might have bought the stainless steel refrigerator, so you might want to go back to the stainless steel handles that have come with, right? A few years later, if you want to mix and match. It makes easy updates in a few years even easier, and it makes quick refreshes easy as well. So it's a win-win-win.
Yeah, and I think too, it gives a little bit of permission. You know, stainless steel is classic. It's going to be here for a long time, and it will continue to. But that beautiful matte white finish that we have, or matte black, this gives you a little bit more permission. Like, can I take that risk? And the answer is yes, because you can swap out your hardware later. We also have a really exciting partnership with Rejuvenation. They're very well known in the cabinet, appliance, lighting, other things. But we've partnered with them on a design, their Hansen hardware line, and we've extended that to the appliance hardware, which is a first of its kind of collaboration. So you get that really beautiful look, aged brass, and then we also have this beautiful polished nickel that we're launching as well. That's targeting later this year.
So you've got so many exciting things going on. You've got the Style Studio consultation, you've got these collaborations, but you also have the CAFÉ Designer Trade Program. Tell us a little bit about that.
We love designers. We love that designers can help, like Alena and others, bring CAFÉ and again give you that permission to design how you want to design with the style that you want to design. So if you're a designer, or if you're looking for a designer, we can help kind of make that connection through the trade program. So not only are we giving some incentives like other trade programs, but you can also find a designer through our website as well.
What's a trend that you're sort of seeing in 2026 in this space?
Ooh,
There's so
that's
many
a good
trends,
one.
but I think
Tell
to
us the
me,
secrets, Alena.
it is, we talked about before, personalization in the home. And if you look at the CAFÉ booth here at KBIS, and if you look at all of the different things, it's about making it your own. And there are so many ways to do that. And whether it's mixing the metals, whether it's going with exciting different finishes. I also love the panel ready options that CAFÉ is doing for your refrigerator, for your dishwasher, for your hood. This is like, to me,
Oh yeah, this is really cool.
This is the ultimate. You can.
What does this mean?
This
Yes.
is a big deal.
Let's talk about this.
For
Yes.
designers, for homeowners,
Yes.
this is huge. So sometimes you want to really customize everything, and it's a lot of work to maybe work and build it out on your own. CAFÉ has a hood that is in 2 different style options, and you can clad it. It's paintable,
my
wallpaper. So like, this is the designer dream, and I think for the homeowners too, once they learn about it as well, because
Yeah.
it's a great way to really give your own mark, change it up, do something fun and different, rather than just a traditional hood, which is beautiful too, but it gives more
I'm
options.
Yes.
getting like the footage that we just saw
Yeah.
was like a beautiful peach like cabinet, and then
Yes.
green,
Stunning.
and it really just feels like, I don't know, it's not an afterthought. It's just
Yeah.
like you can feel full of life and color, and you spend so much time there. You want it to be beautiful.
Our booth this year, our theme is "This is your moment, customize it,"
Yeah.
especially with CAFÉ. And we have 3 different beautiful kitchens, and I think that we're always looking for these moments of inspiration to bring back into our kitchens and into our homes. So one of our kitchens is the postcards from Venice. So we've all taken this beautiful vacation somewhere. It could be, local staycation. It could be Italy. It could be wherever you are, but you want to bring that feeling and be inspired by that moment, which is what we did in our Venice kitchen. Or another moment is kind of that rewind and kind of like relax, cook that beautiful yummy food, and get that inspiration from Outdoor In, which is our greenhouse garden party. And then we have a third kitchen. It's beautiful.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's like beautiful green and kind of darker tones, or matte black at our panel
You are
ready.
getting me too excited. Now
Yeah.
I want to redo my kitchen.
You have to. You should. With CAFÉ.
I should.
Make it your own. And there's so many great ways to do it. I love all of the finishes.
Yeah.
That polished nickel is stunning.
Beautiful. Yeah, that's the Rejuvenation line.
Okay, before we go, what's one piece of advice you'd give homeowners or designers about embracing customization without feeling overwhelmed?
Oh, that's such a good question. I think
Call Alena?
Yeah,
I'm kidding.
yeah.
I was
Call
gonna say,
Alena,
call
Style Studio.
Right into the Style Studio.
That's right.
We're here to help.
That's right. That's right. And I think too, it's give yourself a little permission to be open to trying new things and discovering things. Like it's your space. It's a place that you can really make your own and your moment. And with CAFÉ, we have so many different choices to help you do that. It's not just like too many options. It's curated collections that can help you bring your personality, because your kitchen should be a reflection of you.
Yeah.
And we love to do that.
Wonderful. Ladies, thank you both so much for stopping by and telling us all about the exciting offerings that CAFÉ has, and I can't wait to swing by the booth once this is over. Thank you so much for being here today. All right, everybody, coming up next, we're speaking with Tammy Covington. She's the president and CEO of High Point Market Authority, and we're going to hear how the latest design inspiration from High Point is turning into real livable spaces. We'll be back in just a few minutes.